This is the Dallas Morning News.
It's Wednesday, March 5th. It will be cooler with an abundance of sunshine today in Dallas. The high will be 61. Tonight, clear and cooler with a low of 40. Here are today's headlines. The measles outbreak that began in West Texas has now grown to 159 confirmed cases. That's according to the Texas Department of State Health Services in an announcement Tuesday afternoon. The case count, up from 146 cases on Friday, is still spread across 9 counties in West Texas and the Panhandle, with no new counties impacted as of Tuesday. Since late January, 22 people have been hospitalized, and 1 child who was unvaccinated has died. Texas's confirmed case count does not include 9 cases reported by New Mexico health authorities. State officials there have said they believe those 9 cases are connected to the Texas outbreak, which continues to grow even as New Mexico's count holds steady. The outbreak began in a Mennonite community in Gaines County near the New Mexico border. The cases spread through a community with relatively low vaccination rates. Only a handful of the Texas cases have been in people who are confirmed to have had at least 1 dose of the measles vaccine. In other news, Southwest Airlines will close flight attendant bases in Austin and Fort Lauderdale, the latest in a series of cost-cutting moves by the Dallas-based carrier. Southwest will close the domiciles in July and relocate the 280 flight attendants located in Fort Lauderdale and Austin to other crew bases. The Austin and Fort Lauderdale locations are 2 smaller satellite operations for Southwest and only host flight attendants, not pilots. Southwest Airlines spokesman Chris Perry said that the airline is consolidating their flight attendant satellite bases into their primary 12 base cities as they work to further maximize operational efficiency and reliability. The Union for Southwest Flight Attendants, TWU Local 556, pushed the airline to keep the bases open longer, managing to get the company to delay the closure by a month. Next up, one of Tarrant County Sheriff Bill E. Waybourn's sons was arrested Monday on charges of solicitation of a person under 18, assault on a peace officer, and resisting arrest. That's according to a news release Tuesday from the sheriff's office. 20-year-old William Waybourn was previously being held in the Arlington City Jail, but he later bonded out. Waybourn is one of 8 of Sheriff Waybourn's adopted children, who were all taken out of orphanages or abusive environments. According to officials, he is developmentally challenged and lives with fetal alcohol syndrome as a result of drug and alcohol use by his biological mother during pregnancy. And Texas Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick is putting a $5 million pledge to Dallas on hold after he said he was not told about significant changes to the city's plans for a new academy for police recruits. The Dallas Morning News revealed Friday the Basic Police Academy will likely no longer be at the University of North Texas at Dallas, a major departure from plans promoted by local officials since 2021. Dallas officials have not publicly discussed the revised plans, which the news uncovered after obtaining city documents. Patrick is now calling for the Texas legislature to receive an update. UNT Dallas's campus in southern Dallas had been billed for years as the training site for all future Dallas police hires. But city documents recently obtained by the news show recruits now need a new location with at least 60 additional acres, which has yet to be determined, but will cost north of $70 million. Thanks for listening. For more on today's stories and the latest breaking news, visit dallasnews.com. Enjoy your day, and I'll be back tomorrow with more from the Dallas Morning News.